Hi, my name is Ben Nguyen and I'm an energy engineer with MacDonald-Miller. Today we'll go over benchmarking your building as part of the Clean Buildings Performance Standard. The agenda for today is first going over Energy Star Portfolio Manager, then looking at the energy use intensity target calculation, and then we'll assess outcomes. Quick review. One of the most important metrics for the Clean Buildings Performance Standard is your energy use intensity, or EUI for short. Your energy use intensity is based on all the energy sources into your building, such as electricity and natural gas, converting it to units of kBTUs, summing it together, and then dividing it by the gross floor area for your building. Energy Star Portfolio Manager. If your building has an Energy Star Portfolio Manager, we will share sharing instructions with you in order for us to generate a benchmark. If your building does not have an Energy Star Portfolio Manager, we will reach out regarding information required for us to set one up for you, and then we'll be able to generate your benchmarking report and share you the results. If you have an Energy Star Portfolio Manager, this is what you should expect to see. I want to bring your attention to the weather normalized site EUI. This is an important metric in determining the compliance for your building. The weather normalized site EUI ensures that there will not be random weather fluctuations year by year that will either increase or decrease your EUI to ensure that once your building is in compliance, you'll likely stay in compliance. Gross floor area, as defined by the Clean Buildings Performance Standard, is taking a look at the exterior walls of your building to exterior walls of your building. This, however, excludes exterior areas of the building, such as covered walkways, patios, or balconies. Also, parking. You can see in this example, this is a multiple use type building. In the red, we have offices. In the blue, we have urgent care, clinical, and other outpatient. And in the green, we have non-refrigerated warehouse. We'll break out these use types and then create a weighted target calculation for the building as part of our area takeoffs. We'll now look into calculating your building's EUI target. Published EUI targets and adjustments have been set forth by a calculator provided by Commerce. It's important to note that buildings permitted after July 1st, 2016 are expected to be 15% more energy efficient than buildings permitted prior to. Your weekly hours is also an important consideration for each space type in your building. Your weekly hours will influence the operating shift normalization factor, which will either increase or decrease your energy use intensity target. After you receive your benchmarking reports, there will be one of two options. Either your building will be above target EUI or your building will be below target EUI. But in the end, we'll ensure that your building is compliant. If you are above your target EUI, we'll move to a preliminary scoping assessment where we'll identify cost-effective EEMs to get you below target. Afterwards, we'll move to an investment-grade audit to confirm the engineering detail needed for compliance. The energy service proposal is a contracting agreement that memorializes expectation and guarantees compliance. Following construction, or if your building is below target, then we'll move over to a compliance documentation, including the energy management plan and operation and maintenance plan. Then we'll submit for compliance. Thank you for joining me for today's video. If you have any questions or would like to engage more, please contact us at the email below.